On November 8, 2025, the Pakistani Senate was presented with the 27th Constitutional Amendment Bill, tabled by Law Minister Azam Nazir Tarar, after cabinet approval. The bill, comprising 49 to 59 clauses, covered 5 major reform areas, most notably the establishment of a Federal Constitutional Court, FCC. Under the amendment, the FCC, permanently seated in Islamabad, would exclusively hear constitutional cases, reshaping the judiciary by diverting some powers away from the Supreme Court. Simultaneously, the amendment restructured the military command. The Chairman Joint Chiefs of Staff Committee was abolished effective November 27, 2025, and the Chief of Army Staff would also become the Chief of Defense Forces, putting all 3 branches, Army, Navy, and Air Force, under a single uniformed head. Further, the bill provided that the President, on the advice of the Prime Minister, would appoint this CDF. The Air and Naval Chiefs would also be appointed by the PM. Amendment also ensured that if someone is promoted to the rank of Field Marshal, Marshal of Air Force, or Admiral of the Fleet, they retain that rank for life and remain in uniform indefinitely. In terms of judicial personnel, the bill proposed that transfers of High Court judges would be overseen more directly by the Judicial Commission of Pakistan, reducing direct executive interference. The President could transfer judges between high courts only on the Commission's recommendation. In the National Assembly, on November 12, 2025, the bill was passed with 234 votes in favor, more than the 2/3 majority required. The very next day, November 13, 2025, President Asif Ali Zardari gave his assent, making it law as the Constitution, 27th Amendment, Act, 2025. Among its most controversial provisions, the amendment effectively grants lifetime legal immunity to the 5-star Field Marshal, currently Asim Munir, shielding him from criminal proceedings during and after his term. Critics argue that this move concentrates power in the military, undermines judicial independence and potentially weakens civilian oversight. Indeed, by limiting the Supreme Court's role in constitutional interpretation and creating a new court whose judges may have stronger executive ties, some legal scholars and opposition figures see a serious threat to the balance of powers. In sum, the 27th Amendment marks a major overhaul. It constitutionalizes a new military command structure, grants broad legal protections to top military leadership, and redesigns the judicial framework, all codified in mid-November 2025.